Hey, what's up? I'm Alice and today I'll be inking these pages I drew in the last video. Alright, now as I said in the previous video, this is the real fun part of drawing to me. But it's also the most terrifying. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen the first episode of this miniseries, feel free to check the info box. Now this is the first time ever that I made a comic strip like that, which is pretty ridiculous regarding that I wanna be a comic artist someday. But you gotta start somewhere, right? Right? Also, the story behind this is not very deep. It's about this cyborg, 2C19, who beats up everyone, until a mysterious girl enters the ring. Yeah, and I decided to leave the ending open since I don't know where the story goes, like literally. Only time can tell if I can stick to creating things or if I'll end up beaten by a cyborg. Huh, that made more sense as I was drawing this. But like I said, you gotta start somewhere. Ah, damn it. And that's actually the whole point of this motto, shut up and draw. I wanna step out of my comfort zone more often this year, even if that means that I blame myself on camera and nobody likes the content I create. So be it. I'm here to learn and just have fun experimenting. And now I'll better really shut up and let you enjoy the rest of this video without my stupid commentaries. Okay, I got to get another thing out of my system, because this panel is my favorite one. I'm very happy with the composition and how it makes the cyborg look even more intimidating, yet the girl does not appear weak but even pretty confident. Also, I was very concerned about the background because I wasn't sure how much detail is too much detail. It shouldn't distract the viewer from the two main characters, but I think in the end the background serves the panel pretty well and it feels kinda dynamic. But hey, what do I know? Maybe you got a totally different opinion. And I'd love to talk about that in the comments. you didn't see that one coming. So as you just saw, I messed up the one drawing totally. I tried to fix it with my white correction pen, but somehow it just got worse. So I cut out a piece of Bristol paper and tried my luck again, and here we go. Once the pages are scanned, no one will recognize that I had a cheat at this point. Well, except of you, since I tell you all of this. Woohoo! Now the pages turned out way better than I had imagined. They're not perfect, I already see some things I would have done different, but I think it's a pretty good start for this year. So my plan with this little strip is to continue the story throughout the year and to somehow portray my artistic journey of 2019. Yay! So definitely stay tuned because there's a lot more content just like this already in the making. Anyways, let me know what you think about the final pages or about these videos in general. Any critiques, subscription or other funny things like that are very appreciated. Oh, and if it wasn't obvious enough, 2C19 stands for 2019. You know, the year we're currently in. Liz over and out.